Okay, I'm in neutral now, and the parking brakes released, foot brakes released. Now the car isn't moving, as you can see, but if I press the clutch in, if I declutch, it starts to move back really slowly. If I release the clutch, it stops again. So this is really interesting. So the only thing stopping the car from moving back is the friction within the clutch system itself. Now obviously it's moving a bit too fast for that to happen now. So now that I've released the clutch, oh look, it's actually stopped moving again. So to get the car to roll back, I actually have to hold the clutch in. Now there's too much friction on the road, so it's not going to happen. So now it's stopped rolling even with the clutch depressed. No, it's not, it's still rolling. The car is still rolling back, and it's picking up speed now. Picking up speed, and now if I release the clutch, it's going to slow down and stop. Very interesting.